Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to be doing a humongous PR haul. I have done a few little sneak peeks and it looks like some really cool new releases from Nars and from Urban Decay, Natasha Denona, and a few other brands. So I'm so excited to go through everything. I know when I come on my channel, I haven't been posting as consistently lately and I hate to keep bringing it up, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm not just like being lazy and not working and posting. Things are just so insane right now. And as you guys know, I'm opening a new business. We bought a building and Snow's renovating that full time. And we are working every hour of every day, of every second of every day until October 1st, which is my opening date. So hopefully by the time October comes, we'll be back on a normal schedule because I honestly miss you guys and I miss filming. It's just, we are working so much, I have not been able to film. So I love you guys. For anybody watching this video, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all the things, I try to post like sneak peeks, befores and afters, and just keeping you guys updated on the renovations that we're doing because we're doing them all ourselves. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and dive into these goodies. I also posted a huge giveaway this week, so if you haven't checked it out, I'll try to leave it linked down below for you guys. This is like such great like therapy for me right now because I haven't like just sat down and played with makeup in like a week or two, and it feels really good. So how are you guys doing? Please let me know in the comments. How's everybody's summer been? How is fall? If you have kids, how's everything going? Yeah, let's open this up. Oh, I see like some sparkle. What looks like some sparkle in here. Let's see. I love Nars, you guys, so very much. So you guys know how, oh, this looks like a mirror package. Oh yes, look at this. Shiny. And it says, bring your mattitude. Oh yes, I'm so excited about this. Okay. Ooh, ooh. So we have 3 different shades of this new, did they put a card about it? Shoot, I don't think I have a card. Let me try to look or like lift under these boxes. Oh, found it. Okay, they had it hidden. So here's a little picture. It says, bring your mattitude. Soft matte complete foundation and soft matte complete concealer. Ooh, I love that concealer. So I'm really excited about this. It says, discover a natural looking matte coverage that resists oxidation and helps prevent your shade from shifting throughout the day with a new soft matte complete foundation. 34 shades, high coverage, low maintenance, all mattitude. Love that. It's available September 1st, 2020, and the foundation will retail for $40. The concealer will retail for $30. So I'm pretty sure this is the exact, yeah, concealer that I used to use all the time, and it is very comfortable wear. So they sent me, let's see what shades we have. So we have Patagonia. And I want to say these look light, but I cannot see. Valaris, I cannot see because they're in these like disguised tubes. But the packaging actually feels really good. And then Shale, S-H-A-E-L. So the Shale is the darkest, and this is a 2.5. So that's what I'm actually going to swatch. I need to get some type of tan because y'all, I have never been, I'm not gonna say I've never been this pale because I have, but right now I feel like I'm pretty fair for summertime and what I'm normally used to at this point. That looks really, really good. I think, you know, probably in the winter time, this is gonna be a good shade for me. Just going a little bit lower as my skin gets a little bit lighter, but it looks really pretty, looks full coverage. I haven't met any Nars foundation that I didn't like, so I'm sure that I will love it. I'm like, well, let me get a makeup wipe so I can wipe this off. But yeah, very full coverage. I'm excited to try out the other colors. And maybe even pick this up in like a different shade so I can mix and match. But I feel like it's so hard to match my skin tone. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but like for instance, I have a bunch of the Estee Lauder Double Wears, and it's like I can never get a shade where I put it on my face and it's like, bam, this is your shade, girl. It always has to do, like I always have to just do like a little bit more bronzer, like a different color powder. It's just never like the perfect shade. They also sent over another package, which I don't know what this is, so we shall see. The first one I kind of thought I may know because I saw a few people open it and I was really excited to open it. And I need to just like sit down, have a day to just really play with makeup. I'll try to film that if I can get that soon. Ooh, look how pretty this is. This is really cool. Y'all know how I am. I get so excited about any like kind of brand merch because I just think it's so special. And I'm just so appreciative. Okay, so it says Nars X Night Instant Thrill Climax Extreme Mascara. Don't stop, keep going, reach your climax and never fake it. Well, this became available on the 30th. Y'all know that I've just been doing bare natural lashes. I wore false lashes. I think I told you guys last time I had a wedding I was going to, and I felt so bougie and just dressed up and fancy because I had those lashes on. So this is the Climax, which is one that they've had already. I remember getting it last year and using it. Okay, so this is the extreme one. So it's like a real extreme. Let's look at this. Oh yeah, that's like a pretty big wand there. I'm excited to try this. Thank you so much to Nars for this package. I will definitely keep y'all updated. Oh, and they gave us a mask. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this because I have a mask right now that's a Lily mask and it's super cute, but y'all, my ears hurt after wearing it for a long time. I'm sure that's really normal with masks, but I think it's because it's so thick. And I was like, I swear I said this like a couple days ago. I really wish I could have one with like the little adjustable strings. I think that would be great. And here we have it. So, this is actually pretty comfortable. Oh yeah. Isn't it crazy, you guys, that this is like life right now? But I'm very appreciative. Thank you so much, Nars, for sending this over. Oh, it has a little like nose piece. Super cool. Thank y'all so much for this package and the other package. Next we have Natasha Denona. So this is the Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, these are liquid eyeshadows. We know how I feel again about liquid eyeshadows, that I love them. I don't have the information on them, but I'll leave them linked down below. So the first we have is Infra Nude. And this, oh my gosh, it looks like crazy, y'all. It's, I don't know if y'all can see, but these are all like just way crazy shades. Like these are just so different no matter which way you turn it. It's like the way the light hits it, it's green and then it turns into like a burgundy shade. The next one we have is called Dragonfly. Y'all, I just like, I don't know if you can see the beauty. Oh yeah, that's my favorite. This would be so pretty with a cranberry eye. Do y'all see? I like can't even get over this. Okay, then we have Dog Bone. This looks like another deep shade. It looks like it's gonna have some brown in it. It just like has like a rainbow in it too. Oh, look at that. Natasha Denona does it again. She always kills the game. Okay, I'm gonna swatch one more. This one is the shade Ultraviolet. It's like a purpley shade. It's just like crazy because when you look at it, it's like all the colors of the rainbow are like reflecting off of it. Okay. Can y'all see this? I don't think that this camera is ever gonna do complete justice to these eyeshadows. They are gorgeous. All right, next package we have is actually from IT Cosmetics, and they sent over this super cute little fanny pack. It says, use this on the go to hold all of your essential items and everyday protection, including your new face covering. Is this a new, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. If this is from Silk. Y'all, I love Silk. The company, I use their eye mask like every single night to sleep with. Oh my gosh, how thoughtful. They sent over a mask. Oh, yes. Okay, I don't know what these are. I think maybe, let's see if there's instructions. Instructions for use. Cover your mouth and nose with a face covering. Oh, it is a Silk one. Oh my gosh, they feel so good. Yes, please. This is so exciting. Adjust the ear loops and nose wire as needed. Oh, so I think, ooh, so there's a nose wire in here, just like the other one. Oh my gosh, y'all, I have no idea how excited I am about these masks. I got a big head, so like I have to really pull these strings back. But these are like extra in case, I don't know, like I need to change out the nose mask. I don't know how you get it out, but I'm sure somewhere there's a way to get it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics. Okay, so I got really excited about the face mask. Let's also look at the products they sent over. So they sent over this new brow powder filler. It says it's your brows but fuller. Ooh, so it's like a little powder. Let's try this out. My eyebrows have been on for a long time today. Okay, so this is the Universal Blonde shade. So here it is. It like kind of looks wet. And it has like some little things on it. I'm probably not gonna be able to do this. Like, here's what this looks like. I don't know, I like can't even see what I'm doing. Probably not very smart of me. I'm like, does this have a mirror? Yes, okay, this has a mirror. Oh, woo. I mean, it definitely packs some color in there. You'd probably need to like kind of tap it off because, oh, I mean, woo. I mean, I'm just looking at this brow compared to the other one. I feel like this one's actually looking better. Let's put a little bit on this brow. Y'all, my makeup is from like 8 o'clock this morning and it's 9:30 at night. So let's just excuse that. But I really wanted to film and I was like, I gotta get it done today because I miss you guys and I really wanted to open up these packages. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics for the mask and for the brow powder. All right, next we have a package from Urban Decay. This says Urban Decay Stoned Vibes. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so we have the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It looks like it got a little bit crazy in the package. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, then we have the palette. So this is their newest palette. Oh, look at that. Really, really pretty. And then when you move it, like the color kind of shifts around. These look really nice. Do you know what these actually remind me of? So Huda Beauty came out with those palettes where, you know, they had this like, they just had these like white flake things in them and that's what they look like. And this, I wonder if this is what the formula is. Well, I know it's not the same formula, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I love that formula. This is like very shimmery and it's like not too overpowering. It's just more of like, you know, like a soft shimmer shade. And the thing is these would actually go really good with the Natasha Denona shadows because they have that shift in them where it's like if you move it around, it kind of changes colors. So they're what those look like. I will have to actually try them out with my eyes to give you guys an opinion. They do look, just from like first swatch, they look like they're very shimmery. They don't look like they have like a super big amount of pigment in them, which isn't a bad thing. I just want to try them out with some shadow primer. So a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending that over. Okay, next we have a package from Benefit. I wish y'all could see my room right now. It's like a mix of makeup and school supplies and office supplies, and I need to clean it really bad. Oh, me. Ooh, okay, this is a new brow microfilling pen. It says Brow Gains No Blade, 24-hour microbladed effect with 3 prolonged tip, mimics the appearance of real brow hairs, waterproof, smudge proof, natural looking and easy to apply. Y'all, it's the end of the night and I really want to see what this looks like. So let's just take off my whole dang brow. Normally I wouldn't do this for a video, but I am committed. Okay, now that I have put that stuff on, it's like the Cosmetics brow stuff. I mean, it wasn't just powder. It was kind of like liquidy powder. And you guys know, I do actually have real microblading done. It's been almost a year since the last time I got it touched up. I probably should get it touched up at some point when I can find time one day, maybe. Okay, and please don't mind the fact that my makeup is like a little bit, not a little bit, it's a lot darker than my actual face. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so here we go. This is my nice, yeah, I need to get my freaking eyebrow, I need to get my eyebrows microbladed because it's like very little microblading left, if you guys can see. So yeah, there's that. Let's see what the deal is with this benefit stuff, if it actually works. Okay, it's very, very light. It's like a little pencil. Okay, here goes nothing. I mean, I feel like it did a pretty good job. What do y'all think? Here's like, you know, my other brow. Here's this one. I do feel like, let me see if I can swatch on my hand. You know, I feel like, I mean, if you do it like ever so slightly, it definitely, you can definitely see like the 3 lines. But it's like with me, I sometimes like to bear down a little bit. And so when you do that, they kind of do get more like mushed together where it kind of looks like all one thing. But I mean, I definitely feel like it looks really natural and it was super easy. I mean, it's just like a couple strokes of the pen and you're good to go. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm gonna open like one more box. Just ignore the fact that I have one like brow and, you know, I have like part of the top and bottom without makeup. Let's see here. So this actually came from Bliss. Okay, let's see what this is. It says clear your skin, feel your bliss. And it's in like a blue type package. Oh, super cool. So this has a clarifying toner, a clarifying liquid peel, and a clarifying gel cleanser. So thank you so much, Bliss, for that package. And you guys, again, I missed you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I promise I'll be back soon with a new video. I love you. Again, thank you so much for all of your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.